myself Manju Gupta, a teacher in Delhi government and a certified life coach too. I am 50 years old. So I must say no one gets through life without support. But what amazes me is that for many of us, that support does not always come from the people who are supposed to look out for us. It also comes from people who choose to help us to make us better. I have been teaching for the last 22 years in Delhi government, and I think due to loud speaking, somehow two nerves of my left ear got damaged, and I didn't know about it. I don't know. I guess it's loudspeaking, and it resulted in a hearing loss. When I consulted an ENT, he did an audiometry test, and he told me that hearing of my left ear got damaged up to 50%. I was really shocked. How it got impaired. He said some nerves have got damaged and there is absolutely no treatment in allopathy. You will have to live with it. So I came back. What could be done? Nothing else. So when Neena took me to Dr. Rajiv, he gave me some nasal drops and some gargle powder, and I have been using it for the last 6 months. Many doctors, they said there is absolutely no treatment. All allopathy doctors, in Delhi government, our yearly health checkup is there. I went to Apollo, and earlier I went to Saroj, and their ENT said that there's no treatment. And then Apollo also I discussed with the ENT. He said there is no treatment. You will have to live with it. I didn't pay any attention because with the right ear I could hear very properly. So I didn't pay attention. When I started hearing phone with left ear, then I got alarmed. I'm not able to listen properly. But when I now try to hear phone from this left ear, then I found that it has improved. Definitely it has improved. I must say thanks to Neena, my friend, who helped me reach out to Guruji, the Acharya Dr. Rajiv Verma. To such type of miracle, who could imagine that Ayurveda can do miracles, such miracles too? No, I didn't.
Okay.
I didn't believe earlier.
Okay.
And it's a miracle, I must say, that my hearing has become improved at least 30%, and it's gradually improving. I must say it's a miracle. So, one thing I must say, he is not only my doctor, he is my mentor, he is a guide. He constantly inspires me. And whenever I feel I'm stuck in any area of life, I just give him a call and my problem is solved always. I really acknowledge his generosity for his, his knowledge, his guidance, and his blessings. And I look forward to be spiritually uplifted with him. And I have to work towards my ambition under his guidance now. I have a goal that I have to work with him now. Whenever I'm stuck, I give him a call. He always motivates me and guides me.
Okay.
I'm always full of energy, and
Good.
that too I give credit to Guruji. I have to speak for at least 8 hours continuously, and that hearing, how would I hear my students? One is saying from this side and one is saying from this side. So I had to give so much of attention from my this side, left
Okay.
side. That is improved. So it has made a lot of difference in my life.